Try these floor cleaning methods, and you'll feel like you could eat off the floor. Start by adding a laundry pod to a bucket, followed by a handful of laundry beads. Pour in hot water and clean your floor as usual. This homemade solution is not only effective, but also smells amazing. For a fresh twist, add cinnamon to the bucket, mix thoroughly, and mop your floor. Another option is to prepare tea, pour it into the bucket with water, and mop as usual. For a deeper clean, mix baking soda, dish soap, detergent, and fabric softener in the bucket. Add vinegar, pour in boiling water, and let it cool before mopping. Your home will be free from moisture. You'll never see mold on your walls again. Start by taking 2 or 3 lemons. Roll the lemons back and forth with the palm of your hand. This will help you extract more juice from the lemons. Lemon juice has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Next, cut the lemon in half and squeeze out the juice. Add 1 small teaspoon of granulated garlic to the juice. Thanks to the allicin in garlic, it inhibits the growth of mold and fungi. Mix everything well. If you have dark-colored walls, you can add a few ground cloves to the mixture. Slowly strain the mixture into another container using a wet cloth or gauze. Take a plastic bottle with a dispenser. Pour the liquid into the bottle and close it tightly. Use this homemade solution in areas prone to mold and fungi. This remedy will help you solve the problem once and for all. Pour this into a bucket. This trick will give you shiny, spotless floors that are so clean you could eat off them. Your floor will finally shine like a mirror. To make the best floor cleaner, start by separating the flowers from dried lavender. Grind the lavender flowers into powder. Put the lavender powder into a glass and pour boiling water over it. Let it steep. After a few minutes, strain the mixture into a jug to remove the lavender pieces. Add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of salt to the strained liquid. Mix everything well and pour it into the cleaning bucket. With this trick, your floor will be cleaner than ever. Mop every room, and your floor will shine without using chemicals. You won't see a single streak. Stains and dirt on walls will disappear in seconds. Wondering how? This trick removes wall stains effortlessly. It only takes a moment, and the result will exceed your expectations. When stains appear on white walls, don't worry. Instead of repainting, you'll start using this trick. I'll show you a way to remove them in just a few seconds. You need fabric softener for this. With its help, your problems will vanish. Prepare a small bowl. Use the fabric softener cap as a measuring cup. Pour 4 capfuls of water into the bowl. Add 1 capful of fabric softener. Mix everything to get a uniform consistency. Now, take a microfiber cloth, soak it in the mixture, and wipe the stain on the wall. Follow the steps shown in the video. Just wipe the stained areas with this solution. The effect is amazing. After a few moments of wiping, the stain will disappear. There won't be any trace of the stain left. The wall will dry quickly, and you'll forget the stains or dirt were ever there. Soak mothballs in fabric softener. This trick will save you money. You won't be spending as much anymore. Thanks to this, your home will never be the same again. All you need are mothballs. A small package of such balls is enough. Take out just 3 balls. Take a piece of paper towel, place the mothballs on it. Wrap them and crush them with a kitchen hammer into a fine powder. Transfer the crushed mothballs into a large bowl, one that you use for cleaning or laundry. Pour in a liter of warm water. Stir the powder to dissolve. Add 150 milliliters of vinegar. Pour in 2 measures of concentrated fabric softener. This will make its pleasant scent more intense. Add 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. And that's it. Just pour in another liter of water. Pour the mixture into a large 2-liter bottle. Make a hole in the cap. This will make using the liquid easier. This liquid is the best floor cleaner, and it's true. It cleans, sanitizes, and disinfects. It also leaves a pleasant scent, but the biggest advantage of this liquid is the mothballs. Thanks to them, the mixture repels all insects, not just moths. The scent of these balls also repels bedbugs, silverfish, and even mice. You no longer have to buy expensive floor cleaners. You also don't have to buy additional products to repel insects and rodents. This homemade liquid is enough. You can use it on all the floors in your home, especially on the bathroom floor, kitchen floor, or by the front door. I'm sure this liquid will be most useful to you. I've never been so satisfied with my broom before. If you have a fine hairnet, place it over your broom. This fine mesh will make cleaning much easier. The broom will pick up even the tiniest dirt, and everything will stick to it like never before. This will turn your broom into the best broom in the world. All you need is a regular knee-high stocking or pantyhose sock. Slip it over the broom and start cleaning every corner of your home. A regular broom alone will never sweep as thoroughly as one with a pantyhose sock. Another trick is to stick clear tape to the bristles of the broom. This odd method really works. It's important to use wide tape. With this prepared broom, start sweeping. Hair, dust, and large debris will stick to the tape instead of getting tangled in the bristles. After cleaning, simply peel off the tape and throw it away. The tape collects dirt that a regular broom wouldn't be able to clean up. This method makes sweeping much more effective. I sprinkle it on the old creaky floor. I bought it for a few pounds at the pharmacy. It solved the annoying problem of creaky panels. I wish I had known about this trick earlier. Over the years, wooden floors and panels start to come apart. Holes form under the boards, causing them to move. Walking on the old floor often produces unpleasant creaking. It turns out that these holes can be easily filled, the places where gaps or creaking appear. Generously sprinkle ordinary talcum powder. Sprinkle a lot so that it fills the holes. Sprinkle it along the seams of the boards, then press it in with your hand. It should get into the gaps in the floor. Repeat the process until the floor stops moving. Next, sweep off the excess talcum powder from the boards. This powder reduces friction between the floor elements. Talc is used in industry as a filling component. It is simple and safe to use. Finally, wipe the floor with a damp cloth to get rid of the white residue. And that's it. The panels no longer make a sound. This will turn your broom into the best broom in the world. All you need is an ordinary thick sock. Use scissors to cut off the heel of the sock. Slip it onto the broom and start cleaning all the nooks and crannies in your home. A regular broom will never pick up and sweep as well as one with a thick sock.